Now in this lecture, we are going to solve one more problem on first come first serve scheduling algorithm. We have 6 processes and we have their arrival time and burst time. So consider this problem with FCFS scheduling algorithm. If FCFS scheduling algorithm is following and there is one unit overhead in a scheduling the processes, find the efficiency of the algorithm. Now what we need to do is we are adding one unit of overhead to each of the process and we are finding the efficiency of the algorithm, that is FCFS scheduling algorithm efficiency we are finding by adding one unit of overhead to scheduling the process. Means before we schedule the P1 process we are adding 1 second, and before executing the P2 one more second, before P3 one more second, P4, P5 and so on up to P6. So we are adding 1 second to each of the process because we are shifting from one process to another process, which is called context switch. So if you didn't see my video, so go back and watch my video context switch. There you will understand the switching between the process takes a time. So when process switched from one process to another process, CPU takes certain amount of time. That amount of time is called context switch. So here we are denoting that one unit of overhead with the help of del symbol. Now let us take the example. Let us prepare the Gantt chart based on this table. So this is the Gantt chart we have prepared based on this table. Now you can see there is a del symbol, right? So this del denotes the unit overhead. Means before we scheduling the process P1, there is one del of 1 second. This is the overhead, and we are scheduling the process P1. Then again there is a del before scheduling P2, and again there is a del before P3. Again there is a del before P4 and del before P5, del before P6. Likewise, we are adding this del, that is the overhead, one unit of overhead in scheduling the process. Right now we have to find out the efficiency of this algorithm. Right now we have prepared this Gantt chart. We have added 1 second before the process is scheduling, and that 1 second is denoted by del symbol. Now moving further and understanding how the calculations will take place. So this Gantt chart we have prepared, the del has denoted one unit overhead in scheduling the process. Now we have to calculate useless time or wasted time. So how much wasted time is there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 unit, or we can say 6 del symbols are there. It means that 6 into D. D denotes del, right? So 6 into 1, that is 6 millisecond. So 6 millisecond is useless time or wasted time. Now we have to calculate the total time. What is the total time? The total time is 23 millisecond. Now in that 23 millisecond we have to subtract the wasted time, that is 6 millisecond. So this 23 millisecond is the total time we are taking to complete all the 6 processes. So we have prepared Gantt chart. In the Gantt chart, all the 6 processes are executing in 23 seconds. So that 23 is the total time, and wasted time is the 6 milliseconds. So total time minus wasted time. So we are having 17 units or 17 millisecond. So this is the efficiency. Now how to calculate the efficiency? So useful time and the total time. So we have useful time, that is 17 millisecond, right? 17 millisecond, and 23 millisecond is the total time, right? So if we calculate this, so 17 divided by 23, we are getting, it is divided by, okay, so divided by 23 milliseconds, so we are getting 0.7391, that is in percentage 73.91 percentage efficiency by using this del symbol. So this kind of question might be asked in any competitive examination like GATE, NET, SET. So in this way you can denote waste time, or you can say overhead time for each of the process. First prepare the Gantt chart and then calculate the timing, or you can calculate the efficiency of the algorithm, right? So 73.91% efficiency of this first come first serve algorithm for denoting 1 unit of overhead time. Hope you understood this concept. So this is the second example of first come first serve algorithm. In next lecture we will understand shortest job first scheduling. So thank you for watching.